Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the ultimate strategy for unlocking TikTok's money-making potential. If you're an aspiring content creator or an entrepreneur looking to tap into the power of this social media platform, then this video is for you. TikTok has taken the world by storm, with millions of active users engaging with its short-form videos every day. It's not just a platform for dancing challenges and lip-syncing anymore. TikTok has become a goldmine for creators and businesses alike, providing incredible opportunities to monetize your content and grow your brand. So, let's dive right into the ultimate strategy for unlocking TikTok's money-making potential. The first step is to identify your niche. With such a diverse range of content on TikTok, it's crucial to find your unique selling point. Whether it's comedy skits, educational content, beauty tutorials, or niche-specific information, discovering your niche will help you attract a dedicated audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to optimize your profile. A compelling bio, eye-catching profile picture, and a consistent visual theme will help you stand out from the crowd. Don't forget to include links to your other social media accounts or website, maximizing your reach beyond TikTok. Next, let's talk about content creation. TikTok thrives on engaging, entertaining, and bite-sized videos. Experiment with various formats, such as tutorials, challenges, or duets, to keep your content fresh and exciting. Remember to use trending hashtags and catchy captions to increase your discoverability. Building a loyal following on TikTok is crucial for monetization. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, following trends, and collaborating with other creators. Authenticity and consistency are key to creating a dedicated community around your content. Now, let's get into the money-making potential of TikTok. The platform offers several avenues for monetization. The most common way is through TikTok's Creator Fund, where you can earn money based on the number of views your videos receive. Additionally, brand partnerships, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing are great ways to generate income on TikTok. To attract brand partnerships, focus on growing your follower count, engagement rate, and overall influence. Reach out to brands within your niche or consider joining influencer marketing platforms that connect creators with relevant opportunities. Remember, building trust with your audience is vital, so only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Lastly, diversify your income streams. Don't solely rely on TikTok's monetization features. Leverage your TikTok following to drive traffic to other platforms where you can sell products, offer services, or create exclusive content. This could include launching a YouTube channel, starting a podcast, or even selling merchandise. In conclusion, TikTok offers a wealth of money-making opportunities if you know how to leverage its potential. Find your niche, optimize your profile, create engaging content, build a loyal following, and explore different monetization avenues. Remember, success on TikTok takes time and dedication, but with the right strategy, you can unlock its immense money-making potential. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to like and follow to stay updated with our latest videos. And, as always, leave your comments down below. Until next time, happy TikToking and happy money-making.